In this video, you'll learn how to embed a video in Mailchimp emails. This process allows you to enhance your email campaigns with engaging multimedia content, making your communications more interactive and appealing to your audience. Begin by navigating to Mailchimp's homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the login screen. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, locate the Create button on the dashboard. This button is typically situated in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on Create to open a drop-down menu where you can select various options for your campaign. Next, select the Replicate option from the drop-down. This will allow you to create a copy of an existing campaign. Once you click Replicate, a list of your previous campaigns will be displayed. Choose the campaign you want to duplicate and confirm your selection. Once you've replicated the campaign, you will be directed to the design screen. Look for the button labeled Edit Design and click on it. This will take you to the email editor where you can customize your email layout. Make sure the editing interface is fully loaded before proceeding. In the email editor, find a section labeled Video. Click on this section and it will allow you to drag the video placeholder into the center of your email design. Ensure that the video placeholder is positioned correctly before moving to the next step. Now, navigate to YouTube or any other video hosting platform to find the video you wish to embed. Once you have located the video, copy the URL from the address bar. Be mindful of the video length and quality, as larger files may affect the email loading time for recipients. After copying the URL, return to the Mailchimp email editor, paste the URL into the designated field for the video. This step is crucial as it links your video directly to the email, allowing viewers to play it seamlessly. Next, look for the Add button in the editor to finalize the embedding process. Click on Add, and the video will be integrated into your email. Wait a moment for the system to process your request and ensure the video appears correctly in the preview. Finally, review your email to ensure that the video is displayed as intended. Consider checking the overall design and functionality before sending it to your audience. This is an important step to ensure a pleasant viewing experience for your subscribers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.